Bula everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rick's Momoedonu and
my name is Isoa. Isoa Nasilasila. You can call me Ice. We're just about to head to Vuda District School. Hope you strap in like we are. And yeah, I'm from Viseisei Village, Vasu Kirpas, and this is my cousin Rick's.
yeah, I'm the same from Viseisei Village, Vasu Tumbula Kembala.
Man, just stuck in the rain.
Oh, it's the first pickup. Yeah.
Bula boys.
Bula brother.
Hey,
Dolobina.
one of some of the team. Who's team? Wearing bula again. Bula. Sekolah be. Bergoni ngau, nak bukan lagi ngau.
Oh.
Australia. Hey. How's the boys training going?
Yeah, not too bad. It's good. Prep week is going well. Yeah, boys are excited, eh? Looking forward to playing the Blues, man.
You gonna be there?
Yes, I'll be there.
Front row, eh?
Front row. They pom girls.
Nice, brother.
I think this
Can't wait for Saturday.
Yeah, I think this first time Blues playing in
Fiji, yeah.
Fiji, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, this is
The amount of Fijians they've had in the team first time.
first time. Right. I remember when I was small, growing up, I used to watch. I think Blues were actually my favorite team right before I jumped ship to the Crusaders. But yeah, I always used to look up to Raikabula. That man.
Yeah, but you can see like most of the commentators have some trouble pronouncing their names as well, like.
Good. What's up, man?
So, especially our team, mate. Half the people in our team too long ass names.
For that, it's gonna help some of commentators and broadcasting, you know, always pronounce, and fans as well,
Yo,
how to pronounce the name of the players
Nice.
properly.
how we gonna do that?
I have some names here.
Very nice.
Let's go.
So,
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Let's kick us off.
how you pronounce male internal line for the fans?
So for the fans at home,
Yes.
from me, please pronounce it Meli, and the and the phonetics is Dere Nalang.
Yeah,
Dere Nalang.
Well, he's got a ratu in front of the Meli, right? Because
Yes.
you know Meli's from the Chieftain family.
Yo.
Namaka.
Yeah,
Ratu.
exactly.
Ratu, Meli,
Dere Nalang.
Dernalang.
Isoa Nasilasila.
Oh, yeah,
that's
the man right there.
That's a tough one, eh?
Yeah, my man. Ooh,
Nice pick up.
Salute.
Bula.
Oh, Steve Village.
How are you?
What's up, Bula Banaka? Good with you, Raika.
So, I like your outfit. What country is that from?
It's from the beautiful island of Drua.
Yeah, Sarah.
So Rotuma count as a Polynesian or Micronesian?
We fall under Polynesian.
Few boys there. From Polynesia.
Some of the boys too from
Rotum.
Oh yeah, we've got a few Polynesian boys in the team.
Yeah. Not sure about Rotum.
Basi's from Tonga originally. Zerio
From what? Niue.
from Niue.
Some.
Samu's but some. That's our Torang.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
How about you guys? How's your days been going? All good?
good. I've been busy. So I'm from the Vuda dance company.
Nice.
Oh.
Yeah, you follow me.
So you guys performing at the game?
Yes, from the game. Yeah, I was.
Sure.
Can you just explain
Yo.
Yeah.
So my solo, it's called a Tifui in Rotuman. And the stars, a Tifui usually consists of 7 stars, and each stars represent a district. So there's 7 districts altogether on the island.
Nice.
So how do you say? How do you pronounce it? Tifui.
Tifui, yeah.
Tifui. Nice. Wonder where our next pickup is gonna be.
Oh, yo.
Before our next pickup, can I ask you something?
Yeah, of course.
How did it feel beating the Crusaders?
Oh, man.
Oh!
Because I'm a
That's
Crusaders
right,
fan.
Yeah. Are you Crusaders fan?
Yeah.
I
I'm also a Drua fan,
Yeah.
so for that game I did not watch at all.
Yeah. Just watch
Tough
this
one,
one,
eh?
That's so good.
Pick up fit. Oh.
Namaste.
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 Hola.
How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good, thank you. Oh my god, Fiji weather.
Hola. So.
Bula, Sunishma.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Raka.
to meet you both. And you guys.
Did you want us to answer the question?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah, it was pretty crazy. Eh? I think just because I think every single Fijian's either a Crusaders or a Chiefs fan when they first started. So yeah, especially when you're on the field, you're like up against people like Sam Whitelock and all the All Blacks. I think yeah, it was pretty. At first it's scary, but when Kemmel was about to kick the goal in, you could see everyone like start to. No, some of us were crying. Like me.
It's like it's an honor for you guys.
Yeah.
Being alongside.
Yeah. And you just realize, oh man, these guys played for last how many years, won how many titles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big difference from last year, eh?
Yeah, must be an amazing experience for you guys.
Yeah.
First you used to watch them on TV and now you're playing against them.
Yeah.
So anyways, are you guys excited for the game on Saturday?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So excited.
It'll be a good one. Can't wait to get the music pumping.
What about you guys? What's your favorite Indian dish?
Ooh.
Curry.
Curry.
Any curry? Just curry?
Any curry. I actually had curry for dinner last night. It was
As long
nice.
as it's
Oh,
with
yeah,
happy and masala.
Yeah.
100%. You actually have a pretty interesting outfit. It looks real nice.
Yes, thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about
You
it?
can look around with that. The driver needs to focus on the road. Thank you. It's a very hot, sunny day to wear sari or kameez, so I'm wearing kurti. It's and if you put a dupatta, that means a veil on top, it'll become a kameez. So yeah, it's very comfortable. I feel a bit underdressed, but I think it's fine. You guys look amazing, by the way.
Thank you.
We're just turning into our village now.
Yeah.
I don't know if we told you before, but me and Isoa actually are cousins.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And Rix will give you a brief introduction of his outlook.
So tell us more about your village.
It's called Viseisei. It's part of Vuda District. And in school, in class 1 or class 2, I think it would, that they say, first landing.
Yes.
Now it says
Oh,
first came
I've
to
heard about
Fiji, they came to first landing. So this is where we're going. First landing of the Fijian people, which is apparently our village.
Yeah.
Hey, so
Yeah. Proudly, our village may not have grown up yet, but you still feel the connection,
So since it's cultural week, or what do you say, like the
Cultural
theme
round,
of your game,
Yeah.
do you guys dance?
nah. No, unfortunately, can you dance us?
No, I can't dance very sorry.
Especially me and Isoa can't dance.
Yeah, no.
But,
All three of us, yeah, I mean sitting at the back, we're all part of a dance group.
Yeah, I can still use that.
Malang and Maori, yes.
This is the school, guys.
Vuda District School.
Thank you guys for coming along with us on this ride. It's been so good learning about other cultures in Fiji.
Thank you
But
so much.
encouraging everyone to come down to Churchill Park,
Yes.
watch us play against the Blues. There, guys.
Definitely.
And you can get your tickets. You get your tickets at Shop and Save Markets, Jacks of Fiji, Alatoka City Council,
First
or online
1,000.
M-Pesa at drua.flickit.io.
First 1,000 people will get a free flag.
Yo, that's me.
So that's something to come early about.
We got the vibes going.
And I think there's a $250 gift prize if you've got the coolest outfit out there in the crowd. So little initiative.
Yo, okay, we'll be watching you.
Before we get it, bro. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time.
Mole.
Well,